Hello, welcome to FindInbox product demo. This is Abhijit. I am one of the co-founder at FindInbox. If you are hearing FindInbox for the first time, we are an edtech company transforming marks or CGPA into skills. Think about this. If I ask you how much you scored in Python programming in your internals or exams, you have a readily available answer to it. But if I ask you what skills you have in Python programming, that's a tough one to answer. This is exactly what we are solving for. Till date, we have evaluated skills of over 30,000 engineering students, and interestingly, our data reveals that most engineering students lack problem solving and logical thinking skills. All this in a time when AI is evolving rapidly and skill-based hiring is becoming the new norm. To address this, we have built an AI-powered skill assessment platform where we enable you to learn, assess, identify, and improve critical brain skills such as problem solving, logical thinking, analyzing, and many more skills through academic subjects. By using FindInbox, every student receives a personalized skill card. Our vision is to prepare you not just for exams, but for life. Now that we have set the context, let's dive into the product demo. Open the browser and visit findinbox.com. If you are a new user, first sign up with some of these basic details and then log in. In the dashboard, click on Add Subjects. On this page, select the subjects you want to measure and enhance your skills and then complete the payment process. After successful payment, you will find all the subjects added here. Clicking on any subject will take you to the respective subject's dashboard. Now let's break down how to use step by step. Step 1. Notice that there are two different modes in the top right corner: Learn and Practice and Assessment. Step 2. Let's explore the Learn and Practice mode by clicking on Start Now here. Select a chapter and pick your desired topic. Here I will choose All Topics. Now you're seeing questions and answers that align with your syllabus. These are not just any questions, they are carefully designed skill identifying questions aimed at identifying and improving your skills. Step 3. You can filter questions by different categories like brain skills, difficulty level, and question type. For now, I will reset the filter to switch to default mode. Use our AI explanation to clearly understand the answers to each question. The step-by-step explanation will enhance your learning phase. Once you're done with the learning phase, click on Start Practice to answer some practice questions. After practice, return to your dashboard to track your progress. Here you will find detailed insights into your performance across various brain skills, difficulty levels, and question types. You will also see your overall score. For more granular view, click Detailed Scorecard to review your chapter-wise and topic-wise performance. If you identify any learning gaps, revisit Learn and Practice or consult your teachers to improve learning. Step 5. After thorough Learn and Practice, switch to Assessment mode. Click Start Now under Skill Assessment. Select a chapter and complete all the available assessments. Aim to finish assessments across all chapters to get the most comprehensive analysis. Once you have completed your assessments, in the dashboard inside your skill card, you will find an option to download your skill card. Simply click Download and view your personalized skill card. And that's it. If you have any feedback or encountered any issue while using the platform, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.